Program number 11. Write a program in pandas to create a series from dictionary. From which method? From dictionary that stores classes 6 to 12 as keys and total number of students as values. In the dictionary, you know that we will take keys and values pair. So key you will take as classes and total number of strength you will take as values. Let's start the program. Import pandas as PD. Okay. Now dictionary we are taking. So dictionary equal to dictionary's bracket curly braces. Now key with value is required. Key what will write? Classes 6 to 12. This is integer. So 6 colon total length, that is also integer. Suppose I have taken 80 comma 7th class 7th, suppose 75 class 8th 100 class 9th 45 comma class 10th 80 11th 32 12th 67. Done. So dictionary now completed. Key with the value, all the classes 6 to 12 with the value. Now what will do? This dictionary you have to convert into series. So look at this one I have written before that ताकि आपका टाइमिंग सेव हो जाए, इसीलिए तो मैंने यहाँ पे सीरीज का क्या लिया S11. ऐसे नेसेसरी नहीं है, जो मैं बता रही हूँ वो नेसेसरी है. दिस वन इज एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट. ओके. सो S11 इक्वल टू PD alias PD dot series. PD dot series, which one? Dictionary, DIC. Then now this dictionary we convert it to the series. Okay. Now we have to call print command. Print what? S11. This much. Now run the program. See, class 6th 8, class 7th 75, class 8th 100, 9 45, 10 80, 11 32, 12 65. Class becomes as a keys and value strength becomes as a values. This one done. Now we will see this part. This part you remember, children, where we are using dot name, dot index name. Okay. Print S11. I will not put it here. Now values equal to values dot index, length of S11, size, shape, we will see. See, first data type int 64. This one by default it will come because all are the integer data and we are not converting to the any numpy, so that's why pandas whenever we will take it, so it will come integer 64. Values, this one values will becomes. Now index, this is the row index. Okay, rows label name has given 6 to 12. Data type, that is also integer, and name of the index is class. Length 7, size is also 7. Size means total number of rows into columns. Columns is only 1 and total number of rows is 7. 7 into 1, 7. Shape, it will take rows and column in the tuple bracket parenthesis. So here only rows in the series, column is only 1, so that is why not taking. Data type, which data type that is? In 64. Total bytes, how many it will store the data, मतलब कितने storage लगा है total. memory, that is 56. Dimension, I already told that it is single dimensional in series, so that is why 1. Has NaN value, any n values is there, missing values? No, that's why it is false. So this is the question number 11. If you want to run this program, so just pause the video and then afterwards you check it without